Hey everybody, and welcome back to another lecture with Coding with Roby. In this lecture, we're going to be changing the default example values that come pre-created anytime a request body is needed when we create a book. To do this in FastAPI, we're going to jump over to our code, and we need to create an inner class within class book. Right under rating, I'm going to create a new class called config. And under config, I'm going to create a dictionary called schema_extra. And now I'm going to create a dictionary where the key is an example and the value is an object of book. I'm going to start by saying example. And then inside example, I'm going to say ID is equal to a UUID. I'm going to scroll down to the end of my code just so I can grab a UUID from here. And I'm going to change this first number to a 1. Just to make sure it's different from the other UUIDs. I'm going to create title, author, and description. Title is equal to Computer Science Pro. Author is equal to Coding with Roby. And the description is equal to a very nice description of a book. Alright, now if I save my file with this inner class inside the book class, and I open up my browser, and I refresh the page, we can see that now the default values for the request body for creating a book has predetermined information that we created. We have an ID, which is equal to our UUID that we created, our title, which is Computer Science Pro, author, Coding with Roby, and description, a very nice description of a book. If we click schema, we can now see at the bottom we have an example of an ordered map also with our information that we fulfilled. And one thing I just noticed is that we are missing our rating within our request body for our book. So I'm going to go back to our code, and right under description, I'm going to create rating, which is equal to 75. If we resave the application and head back to our browser, and we refresh our application, we can now see that rating, which is equal to 75, is now part of our request body, and it's now added to our schema. This wraps up this lecture on how to create predefined data within a request body for Swagger, and I will see you in the next video.